What's up mga kaballers? This is Coach FM. Welcome to my basketball YouTube channel. Andito tayo ngayon sa Barangay Pili, Basketball Covered Court, Kinamalayan, Oriental Mindoro. Mayroon tayong bisitang player ngayon at magkakaroon kami ng one-on-one basketball training. Samahan nyo kami, panoorin nyo at lubos nyong kilalanin ang former Ateneo Blue Eagles at naglaro na rin siya dati sa MPBL sa team ng Bataan Risers at kasalukuyan siya na-draft ng Rain or Shine Elasto Painters at maglalaro naman siya ngayon sa PBA. Siya ay walang iba kundi ang Phil-Canadian na si Vince Tolentino.
Yung mga kampi niya sa bench. Tolentino with the crossover with a loop.
Hi everyone, I'm Vince Tolentino from Rain or Shine in the PBA. I went to school in Ateneo, played for MPBL, Bataan and Nueva Ecija. My advice to young players out there is hard work. Hard work will always get you where you want to be. No matter what level of basketball you are, you have to continue to work and continue to maintain yourself to stay in the position. To Coach, I just want to say thank you. These 5 days that we've been working out have been so great for me, and good luck to him and all his other players.
Jolo, pocket pass to Vince. Vince, a little hezzy. What a play by Vince Tolentino. Milo Nutriap, galing move of the quarter. Out here on the backcourt. Take a look at Vince. That's a little sidestep from earlier.
Yes mga kabowlers, ang inyong napanood na player ay isa sa inyong mga aabangang rookies sa pagsisimulang muli ng PBA. Let us give him our support and track him on his PBA journey since he is also an Oriental Mindoro's pride. And to you Vince, stay humble and coachable as you are on and off the court. What you've shown during our training prove that you are truly a role model for those who are aspiring to be like you. Your work ethics indicate that you really have a winning attitude. And with that, I am very excited counting your achievements in the PBA. Good luck to your career, stay healthy, and stay safe. God bless you. At lubusin nga pala nagpapasalamat kay Dr. Tony De Los Reyes, kay Tita Ching, kay Tito George Tolentino at sa kanyang family. Ganoon na rin kay Daniel, kay Sak, kay I3, at kay Kapitan Senyo, at sa lahat ng mga barangay officials ng Barangay Pili, Pinamalayan, Oriental Mindoro. At sa lahat ng mga supporters ng Coach FM Basketball at ganoon na rin sa mga subscriber nito. Thank you very much sa inyong lahat. Patuloy nyo suportahan ang Coach FM Basketball channel. At kung mayroon kayong mga nais malaman tungkol sa basketball, mag-comment lang kayo at itype ang inyong question sa comment section below ng aking videos. At ito naman sasagutin ko sa abot tayong mga kaya sa aking mga susunod na videos. Stay safe everyone, stay healthy, and God bless.